Have you ever seen this yarn and wondered what to make with it? Or maybe you already have a skein or 5 hiding in your yarn stash right now? Yeah, me too. This is Wool Ease Thick and Quick from Lion Brand, and it's basically the fast food of yarn. It's quick to work up, it's cozy, super satisfying, but without the greasy fingers. Today I'm gonna show you what you can do with this squishy wonder, some amazing project ideas, where to find the patterns, and even go one step further and talk about color combinations to get your creative juices flowing. Let's talk specs. So Wool Ease Thick and Quick is a super bulky yarn. It's perfect for cozy projects. It comes in a variety of colors from vibrant hues to earthy tones. Plus it's machine washable because who has time for lengthy care instructions, right? So this yarn is a size 6, super bulky, 80% acrylic, 20% wool. We are working with 106 yards, 97 meters, 6 ounces, 170 grams. It is machine washable, on the gentle cycle, tumble dry low. Now, what can you make with this yarn? Oh my gosh, there's so many things. Let's look at some patterns that are perfect for the Wool Ease Thick and Quick. Don't worry, I'll add the links to everything that I show in the description section below this video if you find anything that you want to make from all of these options. Slippers. Baskets. I absolutely cannot go without talking about cardigans. Beanies. Scarves. Oh my gosh. And then blankets. Right, let's jump into color combinations, shall we? Yes, I'm gonna go one step further and help you with color combination inspiration, just in case color pairings is an area that you struggle with. Here are some curated palettes using Wool Ease Thick and Quick colors. If you like bright and vibrant colors, check out the bubblegum, carousel, mustard, pumpkin, and grass. If I were to put all these colors together, I would call this color palette the Carnival Fun. If you like calming earth tones though, check out the oatmeal, flax, succulent, sequoia, and driftwood. I'd call this palette Nature's Embrace. How about a gradient? Let's try the Glacier, Rapids, Deep Lagoon, Navy, and Obsidian. I call this one Ocean Depths. Or do you like deep and dark, like me? Charcoal, Raisin, Kale, Slate, Black. I'd call this one Midnight Forest. I hope you're feeling inspired to pick up some Wool Ease Thick and Quick yarn and start a new project. If you enjoyed this video, please push that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, click the notifications, share this video with a friend, be that enabler, and go buy some yarn.